Hello, welcome to Buddha Astro. In the previous videos, we discussed Bhrigu Yogas and how they get activated using Bhrigu Chakra Paddhati. Today is the most important point or most important topic. Today we will learn how to find a month in a BCP year because we have already seen how we can predict using a BCP year, BCP technique, year of a event. Now we will learn how month can be predicted of that event. So this technique is known as degree system. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe so that you can get the notification as well as you can learn Bhrigu Chakra Paddhati whole technique, basics to advanced. Let's start. First, understand what is degree system. We already know that one house in any horoscope is equal to the 30 degrees, right? And in a BCP year, when we time an event, we take 1 year for 365. So we can say that 30 degrees will be equal to the 365 days. Now, if you find out 1 degree, 30 degree will be 365 days. So 1 degree will be equal to 12 days, 4 hours almost. This factor you have to remember, 12 days and 4 hours. Now, what is the technique? How we would find it? First, we have to see the degree of the activated BCP house lord. We have to see the BCP house and BCP house lord. We will see the degree of it. Then we will see the degree of the connected planet. If any planet is connected, conjuncted with the BCP house lord, we will see the degree of that planet also. And then we will convert the degree into time. How we will convert? We will take the planet degree and multiply by the 12 days, because 1 degree will be equal to 12 days, 4 hours. So directly multiply the planet degree by the 12 days and you can predict the month when that event will take place. Now, if you take 4 hours also, then every 6 degree you have to add 1 extra day also, if we use 365 days. So people generally use 360 days directly and they use 12 days for 1 degree. This is how we can use it. Let's see examples. Example number first, this native got younger sibling on 31st August 1986. BCP house was the second house. See, this was the second house. Second house lord is Mars, so we will see the degree of Mars. Mars is conjuncted with the Venus, so we will see the degree of Venus also. First, we will see the degree of Mars. Mars is sitting Capricorn sign 24 degree, right? So BCP house lord is Mars. Mars degree is 24, approximately 25 because it is 56 minutes also. So multiply by 12 days, you will find 9.6 month. So it means almost 9 month will be get completed and 10 month will be active. 10th month will be active, right? So event time is younger sister happened, birth happened in August. Now count from 10 December to August. You will find event time will August only. Count from December to January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, right? So almost 9 months. So approximately 9 months. You are getting approximately 9 months. This is how you can easily predict the event, that almost around August, September, this event must have happened, right? And we will fine tune this month also by the uh, transit of sun. I will tell you how in the next video. Example number second, this native was blessed with a younger brother on 30 November 1988. BCP house was the third house. This is the third house. Venus is sitting and Ketu is sitting. So BCP house lord is Mercury, right? So we have to see the degree of Venus, Ketu and Mercury. First see degree of the BCP house lord, which is the Mercury. See, Mercury is sitting in the Leo sign. Mercury sitting here, Leo sign. 7 degree 56 minutes. So almost 8 degree. Multiply Mercury degree into 12. You will get 96 days. Now count from August 30th August to 30th November. You will find 96 days will be equal to 3 months and 6 days. So almost 4 months. So event happened in the November. Count September, October and November, right? From 31st August to 31st September, 31st October, 31st November, so almost 3 months, right? So 96 days means 3 months and 6 days. So you are approximately approaching nearby the month using this technique. Simple way. Example number 3, this native acquired properties. BCP house was the 10th house. 10th house is ruled by the Venus, so we will see the degree of Venus. We will see the degree of Rahu also. You can take degree of Saturn also, because Saturn is aspecting this house, right? First say take Venus, because Venus is the house lord. Now Venus degree is 29 Libra 43, so almost 30 degree. So Venus degree multiply by 12 days, you will get almost 365 days. Now you see, this was the October, and the next October, this month, this event happened in the next October, 20 October 2002. So count from 4 October to 20 October 2002, you will get almost 12 month. Simple way, you will get the event of month of the event, right? Venus degree has been taken. You can take the Rahu degree also, and you can predict something related to that event also happen, right? At that time, some event related to property or third house can also happen, because Venus and Rahu sitting in the third house also. Example 4, this native purchased esteemed car in May 1996. BCP house was the 8th house. See the 8th house. Here Saturn is sitting, so you can take the degree of Saturn. BCP house lord is Mercury, so take the degree of Mercury. Now I have taken the degree of Mercury. Mercury is sitting 18 Libra 49. So multiply Mercury degree into 12 days, you will get 216 days, which will be equal to the 7 month. Now add 7 month from October, 19 October. So 19 October to 19 December, 19 October to 19 November, 19 December, 19 January, 19 February, 19 March, 19 April, 19 May, right? So approximately 7 month you are getting. That's why this event happened in the May month. Very easily you can find out month. Example number 5, this native purchased Maruti 800 car January 1999. BCP house is 11th house. 11th house is ruled by Jupiter, and Mars is sitting over there. So you can take first Jupiter. Jupiter is retro, and Jupiter degrees 25 18, right? Since it is retro, so we are taking degree of retrogression. So it has only crossed 5 degrees. That's why Jupiter's degree into 12 days you will get 60 days, because Jupiter will be 5 degree. So after 2 months this event must have happened. You can see October 19, and the event happened in January. So after 2 months event has happened. Clearly you can see. Sometimes retrogression planet also give the event related to this degree also. So both degree work. 30 degree minus 25 18, or either 25 18 also. You can take both. This native got married in his 30th year. So running year will be 30th. BCP house is the 6th house. This is the 6th house. 6th house is ruled by Jupiter. Jupiter is also aspecting it along with the Saturn. Saturn is also aspecting this house, right? Saturn is also sitting with the Venus. So I am taking Saturn degree also. Now Saturn degree, you can see 27 Gemini, 27 degree, multiply by 12 days, you will get 324 days. Convert into month, 10 month and 8 days, right? So after 10 month you can say. Now see, August 22, and event is happening in June 28. Now count from August 28 to June 28, you will get event time will be June only. Now apart from the Saturn, you can take Jupiter degree also. Jupiter is 6 degree Venus, 6 degree Virgo. So divide multiply 12 days into 6, 72 days. So something related to Jupiter must have happened, or 6th house event happened in after 72 days, right? So this is how you can get extra information also, or extra event timing also, using that house lord. Example number 7, female native got married February 2003, running year is 26th, BCP house, second house. Second house has Rahu, you can take Rahu degree also. Second house lord is Mercury, so you can take Mercury degree also. This Mercury is aspected by the retrograde Jupiter and Moon, so you can take degree of these two planets also. So four planets are there: Rahu, Mercury, Moon, and Jupiter. And each planet degree will give some event. Now we are using this for marriage. So take Mercury degree first because it is BCP house lord. It is 3 degree Sagittarius, and take Jupiter degree also because Jupiter is aspecting it, right? So here I have taken retro Jupiter degree. See, here I have taken retro Jupiter degree as it is 10 degree 35 minute into 12 days. Month will be 4th. The 4 month after 29th November, 4th month will be February. So this event happened in the February 2003. Simply you can take. In the previous example, we subtracted this because it was retrograde, but here I did not subtract it. So it is working both ways, so that I can tell you how it is working for the retrograde planet. Both degrees work, retrogression degree also and subtracting degree also. This is how you can easily time. And apart from this Jupiter degree, if you count Mercury degree also, then you can say that something related to fifth house event can also happen at that time, because BCP house lord is sitting here. So thank you. This is the small part of the video for month predictions, right? We have to take the degree also, degree only, and we can predict which month this event will take place. Here you can, if you can use, then you can use sun transit, because sun transit is for month also. So sun transit will also tell you when this event will happen, right? I will make another videos on sun transit only. And but practice this degree system, and you have to remember this factor only. 1 degree is equal to 12 days 4 hours. So just multiply this factor by the planet degree and you will get the event. Like here we did Mars degree multiplied by 12 days. So after 9 months this event must have happened. If you count 10 December to 31st August, you will get event time will be August only, or approximately August. You So sometimes we predict like either in the August or September this event will happen, right? So this is how you can predict. Similarly in this example also, first you have to take the BCP house lord. Here we have take BCP house lord, here we have take BCP house lord, here we took BCP house lord, BCP house lord, BCP house lord, Jupiter retrogression. And here we took Jupiter and Saturn also, because Saturn is sitting with the Venus, so it is indicating more prominently related to the marriage. That's why we have taken the Saturn degree also. Here we have taken degree of Jupiter also, because I am seeing the childbirth. Second lord sitting in the fifth house and aspected by the fifth lord. So childbirth is indicated. That's why retro Jupiter degree has been used. And they have multiplied by the 12 days. So you will get 4 months. So event will happen in the February. This is how you can easily time or easily find out which month event will take place. Thank you. Let's meet again. Please subscribe if you like it.